Hello student, this is your SST lecture and today I will explain third chapter of geography, natural resource, natural vegetation and wildlife. So let's start this lecture. First I will explain what is natural vegetation. In the simple language, plant that grow naturally अपने आप ही पैदा हो जाते हैं in an area without any human help and it is controlled by physical environment and this is depend upon climate and leaf feature. Leaf feature meaning माउंटेन एरिया में अलग तरह की वेजिटेशंस होगी, इन प्लेन एरिया डिफरेंट, इन डेजर्ट एरिया टोटली डिफरेंट. एंड नेचुरल वेजिटेशन एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ, these two are greatest natural resource. For example, plant gives us various things. First, oxygen, protecting soil from erosion, leaching, natural habitat for animals, storage of underground water. These things are not new for you. You have already read in class 6 and 7th. And next is different type of plant and animal living together. जिस surrounding area में ये एक साथ रहते हैं, this is known as biomy. And definition of this biomy also given in your key term. A biomy comprise all ecosystem with a given geographical area. जहाँ पे various species of animals नेचुरल सराउंडिंग में रहती है, दिस इज कंसिडर एज इकोसिस्टम. डेफिनेशन ऑफ इकोसिस्टम इज ऑल्सो गिवन इन द की टर्म. एंड बायोमी आर फाउंड ऑन लैंड, दिस इज नोन एज टेरेस्ट्रियल. एंड बायोमी दैट फाउंड इन वाटर, दिस इज नोन एज aquatic. नेक्स्ट इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ नेचुरल वेजिटेशन. इट्स नॉट इक्वल ऑन द अर्थ. Temperature and moistures, these are two main factors which are responsible for growth of natural vegetations. In this chapter, we will read about three types of natural vegetation. First is forest, second is grassland and third is shrub. So let's continue with the tropical evergreen forest. ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट फाउंड इन द रीजन ऑफ एक्सेसिव रेनफॉल, यहाँ बारिश ज़्यादा होती है. एंड दैट एरिया विच इज़ नियर टू इक्वेटर, यहाँ टेम्परेचर भी ज़्यादा रहता है. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ फॉरेस्ट हैव थिक डेंस ट्री. यहाँ पे जो सनशाइन है कैन नॉट रीच टू द ग्राउंड तक नहीं आ सकती. सो हार्ड वुड वी फाउंड है लाइक सिनकोना, जिससे कुकीन की मेडिसिन बनती है, रबर, इबोनी, रोजवुड, mahogany. These type of are trees which found in the evergreen forest, and these type of forest found in South America, Malaysia, Africa, and these tropical evergreen known as selvas. This is the another name of these forest. Next topic is tropical monsoon forest. Tropical monsoon forest in we can found in that area who have monsoon type climate with the seasonal dry, जहाँ मानसून के टाइम पे बारिश होती है और बाकी टाइम वहाँ पे ड्राई मौसम रहता है. एंड दैट टाइप ऑफ फॉरेस्ट फाउंड इन अफ्रीका, इंडिया, श्रीलंका, ऑस्ट्रेलिया places are given here. And trees, which type of trees we can found? First is eucalyptus. This is known as the tall tree, and that eucalyptus provides leaf with oil, जिसके plants का जो leaf है वो use होता है in the making of medicine. Next, these are sandalwood, sal, bamboo and teak. Next is temperate evergreen forest. These are found in the warm temperature region, especially in southeastern some part of Brazil, some part of China, some part of USA, Australia. And small type of tree we can found mainly walnut, अखरोट, pine, oak, mulberry, जिसको शहतूत बोलते हैं. So in this lecture I have explained up to here only. So next topic I will cover in the next lecture. Thank you.